You should drive at least 3 seconds behind the vehicle in front during ideal condition. Now, you may wonder how to keep a 3-second distance. What you could do is observe the vehicle in front of you as it passes a landmark on the side of the road, which could be a road sign, a tree, or a power pole. Begin counting 1001, 1002, 1003 as it passes the landmark. You are following too closely if you pass the landmark before finishing all of these words. Slow down, choose another landmark and repeat the words to ensure that your following distance has increased. Double your following distance in poor conditions such as raining or at night. Most rear-end collisions are caused when drivers do not obey sufficient following distances. This is also known as tailgating, often regarded as a form of aggressive driving behavior.